Guys, today we learn how to drive a car. Driving a car is a skill that required practice and a strong understanding of road rules and safety. Whatever you are a new driver or look to fresh your driving skill, following these paragraph will help you become a content and responsible driver. Get familiar with your car before you hit the road. Take the time to familiarize yourself with your vehicle control and future. Adjust your seat, mirror and steering wheel to ensure a comfortable driving position. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and learn which guide and warning light represent. Practice using the pedal to develop musical money. Understanding your car function will help you focus more on the road while driving. Learn the rules of the road, study the traffic law and regulation in your through the including speed limit, right of the way rules and signing and traffic signal. Familiarize yourself that common road making and their meaning. Understanding those rules will keep you and others safe on the road and help you avoid collisions to accident. Additionally, it assists to be aware of my local driving custom or specific rule that may different from of standard rules. Practice in safe areas as a beginner. Start practice in empty parking plots or quiet resident street with manual traffic. They provide a controlled environment where you can get a feel for your car handling and practice base such as training, parking and braking control program to be ready and more complex traffic station as a gain construction in your driving skill. Focus on division driving defines dimming in a circle sports to being a responsible driver. Always stay alert and minimum a safe falling distance from the vehicle in front of you. By aware of your surrounding including practice cycle and other drive. Avoid distance such as a testing, creating or adjustment the road will damage. Position handling and be practiced to create scramble and devised if unexpected situation reason. Developing good driving habit, create a good driving habit from a start to become a safe and driving. Always wear your stabilite and ensure all passengers of the same obey speed limit and refrain from suggest driving behave such as relying on acceleration lane use trim signal to including your installation to other driving and avoid the right of way when necessary. Regular maximum your car with schedule checkups and avoid driving when you are under the influence of alcohol drugs. Remember, driving is a dead compliance responsibility. Always by of your action on the road, safe and construction to improve your driving skill through practice and education. By following these guidelines and responding other on the road, you can create a safe or more enjoyable driving experience for everyone. Learn the rule of the road, study the traffic law regulation in your area thoroughly, the including speed limit, right of the way rules, roadside and traffic signal. Familiarize yourself with common road making and the meaning. Understanding these rules will make you and others safe of the road and help you avoid collision accidents. Finding its solution to be aware of any local driving custom or specification rules that may different in the following regulation. Practice in safe area as a beginner. Start produce to empty parking lot or quality residential street with minimal traffic. They provide a controlled environment where you can get a feel of your area handling and practice base manual such as a trimming, parking and braking, guide fully program to buyers road and more